All right. So let's see here.
All right.
Let's go ahead and get this set up here. There you go. You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. So you can go ahead and take your cast iron skillet out, and you're going to put it right there. All right. Ready for it? All right. Here we go. Be very careful because it's extremely hot. Very careful.
Oh my goodness.
Right? Yes.
Steak.
Yes.
I made a steak.
All right, and then the potatoes.
Yes.
I'm gonna slide them right back here. Can I see your oven
Of
mitts?
course.
There we go. Slide these right in. Look at that. Look at that. Awesome.
We made steak and potatoes,
Yes, we
people.
did, and it looks absolutely fabulous.
Oh my goodness.
All right, so be careful. Don't touch that, okay?
Okay, when do we eat?
We have to let it rest first, V. We're gonna let it rest first, okay? But there's another thing that we need to do. Can you get a sprinkle of that parsley and put it in there for me, dear? Let's get a little bit of that parsley up, sprinkle it right in there. There, that's perfect. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a spoon, and that's not hot, so I can touch that. A little bit of butter is left over from what we did before, right?
Yeah.
Some of the garlic is still in here.
Yes.
So this means this is very flavored garlic, or butter. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and drizzle it on top of the potatoes. Love it. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, yes, I'm here for it. Look at that, girl.
You guys ever
Look
heard of
at
food
that.
porn?
Oh.
This is it.
Is this what that is?
I think I should put the children to bed.
Oh, gosh. It's a whole nother kind of show right now, right?
Wow.
Like, this is after hours action.
This is good.
This is prime time coming right here.
Wow. I've never been so excited about a meal in my life.
Oh, wow. Oh.
I'm not joking.
You're about to make me cry, for real.
You'll mess up your makeup.
Oh, I don't want to do that. All right, there we go. I have to call my girl Felicia back so she can hook me up. All right, now that we've taken everything out, of course, you want to turn the stove completely off. All right, now this needs to set. Composure, my dear, for at least 5 minutes, but preferably 10 minutes. Okay, and then we'll come back and you'll see us plate this dish.
I can't wait.
I know, right?